Hello everybody, welcome to Joyful Travel. In this video I'd like to tell you how I made a water thief for my kitchen sink. I would like to fill up a 5-gallon bucket, a 5-gallon water jug, and my gallon water jugs from my kitchen sink. So I made a water thief. What I did was I went to the RV store and I bought a white water hose. And I took that water hose and I cut it in half and I kept the male end of the water hose and the female end, and I put them together. Now this is about 6 inches. I wish I would have made it probably 10. I would have made it a lot longer, but I wasn't thinking. Anyways, so you have the male end and you have the female end, and you put them together. Next, you take a soda pop bottle, your 2-liter bottle, and you cut a hole out of it. I can put my hand in there. I cut a hole out of it. So, next thing I do is I take my male end of the water hose and I screw it into the soda pop bottle. Now, I have 2 sizes of soda pop bottles, depending on where I'm getting my water from. You want to tie it under tight so it doesn't leak out. And I'll show you in a minute how to fill it up from the sink. So easy. So you can fill your 5-gallon jug, you can fill a 1-gallon jug, and you can fill a 5-gallon jug from your sink using the water thief. So what you do is you take your soda pop bottle and you put it under the whole sink like this. Oh, turn it on. Let the water bubble fill up. Now I came up with this idea was I needed to fill up my water in my RV. The only way to get it was through a bucket. And I couldn't access the water from the hose, so I had to use the bucket to fill up my water in the RV. And so I came up with the water thief. So now I can fill up gallon jugs and 5-gallon buckets. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.